Hi, it's Dawn, and I wanted to give you a quick update on the EVT mirror, which is this mirror that I use on my helmet. First off, they are now selling a separate base plate. They used to always come with a standard base plate that was super duper long, and all I did was cut it. So I cut it. Ignore the Velcro straps. You don't need that. I ended up. How did I attach this? I ended up using a silicone double-sided tape to stick on the base plate on there. But so I don't know if it's more expensive or it's an extra expense. This was the original long base that all I did was cut it and round it off, and it basically is like the same as the special short base plate that they now sell. Additionally, I think. But this I've been using for about a year now, and it is starting to get wonky in that any little bumps and stuff, and it's starting to drop, and it's not holding. So, of course, I'm not prepared, but someone, and I can't remember who, recommended this thing that they sell for ducting or something. And you can get, it comes in 2 pieces. If I can remember, I'll try to put the link in the description below. But, and it's blue. That's the only thing. And so you buy this, it's not too expensive. You get 2 pieces. So here's one and here's the other one. I think all I did was remove my old one and then use this. And then this, I stick a stick on it. I stick a stick in it, and then I just spray painted black. So that's what I did today, was I spray painted black. In some of my videos, you may see that it is blue in a section, and then it's the black in the other section. So that was the black was the original, and the blue was the new one. The blue is the new one is really nice because it is really stiff, and so it doesn't wiggle and move at all. But the original joints at the mirror and this main one is where it's dropping at. So I emailed EVT and told them, hey, is there any way to make it not drop anymore? And they said that there is actually a 5-year, no questions asked warranty on this. So all I did was email them and say, hey, is there, it's dropping all the time. Is there any way to tighten it? And they said, just send us your address and we'll send you a replacement. Sweet. So I did that today, and they're going to send over a replacement. They said it'll get here in, I don't know. Oh, I don't remember what they said. It's something reasonable. And so there's that. And then the other thing is, this is just a straight mirror, not, oh God, what do you call it? When it's like curved, and so, you know, some people like the curved ones. So this one's just straight, but what some people do is they get those little, those little side mirrors. What do you call those? I don't know. The little blind spot mirrors. And they just take that and then they just stick that onto this mirror to replace this mirror. So if you like that, then do that. For me, like I say before, it's not a big deal, because for me, all I'm using it for is just to see if there's someone behind me, a car, a person, a EUC, you know, just if there's some kind of thing behind me. That's all I needed to tell me, and then I will move accordingly, like that. I don't need to see every little detail and all that. So it's not too big a deal for me, but this mirror is getting kind of scratched up. It is just plastic. And so I can now try to figure out how to polish it up to a mirror finish again, or stick a little blind spot mirror on there instead. I think I bought them, I just never used them. So I can do that. So those are my options. Let's see, what else? Or I'm getting the new replacement anyway, so it's not going to matter. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick update on longevity and stuff, little tips on these things. It's about $40 brand new, which is kind of pricey. But if you figure a 5-year, no questions asked warranty, if I ask them to send me a new one every year for 5 years, that's pretty good. So I'm pretty happy about that. But anyways, thanks for joining me today. And it's raining, so I won't be able to do a lot of riding. And then this weekend is Eastgate Con in Vegas, so yay! But quick little update, and thanks for joining me, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.